Hey everyone, and let's break down all the major events happened on 22nd May 2025 that are guiding the Indian markets. First up, we have Tata Sons, which is stepping up for its telecom arm, Tata Teleservices, which is facing a huge rupees 19,000 crores AGR dues, that is adjusted gross revenue dues, which is a payment telecom companies owe to the government. Now, despite reporting heavy losses and a negative net worth, Tata Sons might inject fresh capital to keep its telecom arm on track. The Supreme Court just ruled no relief on penalties, so Tata Sons support could be a lifeline for Tata Telecom desperately needing in tough telecom battle. Switching gears to power sector, Power Grid is making waves with a huge rupee 3 lakh crores investment plan through 2032. And this capex will strengthen India's power transmission network and boost renewable energy integration, making sure your homes get cleaner and more reliable electricity. With projects already underway worth over rupees 1.5 lakh crores, India's energy future is changing ahead. On the retail front, a big shift is happening as over half of Indian consumers are now choosing private label products. According to EY, 70% of shoppers believe these store brands deliver the same quality as big names. Retailers are responding with more private labels or shelves, shaking up the market and pushing established brands to innovate like never before. And finally, India's oil imports from Russia have hit a 10-month peak, with refiners snapping up nearly 1.8 million barrels a day, mainly the lighter ESPO crude. This surge helps keep fuel flowing smoothly despite refinery shutdowns backed by long-term deals with Russian suppliers. This is a strategic move that's diversifying India's energy sources with balancing global trade dynamics. So here you have it. From telecom bailouts and power grid revolutions to changing shopping habits and energy strategies, these stories are shaping India's economic landscape right now. Stay tuned and follow for more sharp updates that keep you ahead in the market.